It's all about trust.
It depends on the person you be. Then your character, your attitude to your person you are dating, your love, your wife.
I go trust my girl. My girl will also have to trust me.
No. That one no be question I fit answer because everybody get their own formula. The formula where work for one person fit work for another person. So happy married life. Now God you go pray to. You know, God they bless marriage. No be human being they do it.
You start from a courtship if you want an happy married life. You can't just jump into marriage like that without having a courtship. You got to start somewhere with a lady.
The most important thing in relationship is all about keeping yourself away from others, girls outside. You must make sure you focus the one you already have. That is just all about. But the key things there is trust and to make sure that you respect your girl.
Yes, so now welcome back. Now see Bobos Yarn here on top Wazobia TV. And make it for no loss if you just join us. We get a sploofik elder statesman for our ministry here inside bar with us. We get senator, but this one nobody one with the way This one are the original one with with us. And matter what they talk about today now say how you fit make sure say you get happy married life.
You know why me I don't like make my argument they long too much?
Yeah.
Because I dey like very soon I'll get weakness. I'll get person where look calm from my own page. You see that guy now for street now waiting to talk exactly. Because Hausa people make one proverb say Juma de say kill they get larabak ganewa. Say Friday we go good though. Now from Wednesday now they know. So for that courtship, if you one day in danger for relation for marriage, if your marriage no go sweet, you suppose they feel them from inside your courtship.
Shakarameka tell you something from this same proverb where you give so say that from Wednesday they tell no Friday go good. So Friday go come get environmental sanitation, you don't know. So Friday if you get public holiday, you don't know. You know, it can't be the regular Friday. Now so they be. Just like that guy talk for street. Now God, now they organize. And
everybody of course, but you need to structure yourself first. God will not come down from heaven to come and structure your marriage for you.
No, but you know what you know about God. God be saying he don't know everything. But you get the act of waiting you know. And that thing where you know, it gets some things what they call factors where they militate against them. You don't understand? Because on a good day, if you be say, when you never marry one at the court. Every time you don't come, oh, do your wife like this, do your wife like this. They pamper and they do this, they do that. When Pikin enter, na different ball game.
Okay, so therefore,
you don't understand. So you never see where woman will get belly, go tell you around 12 midnight, say, waiting they hungry and now. Say na lizard pepper soup. My brother, where you want to go look for her? Even for Mushi, not
But outside that, I put it to you right now that courtship is not meaningless.
No,
it's not useful. No, that is in a nutshell now.
No, but
in a nutshell. That's what you're trying to say now.
Why are they talk say I don't agree with you now? Because say yes, some courtships no they lead to marriages, and some they lead to marriage, and some when we say when on the court, if we can't finally marry you, they see different changes.
So you have no know how many marriages where courtship don't save. How many marriages were supposed to be doomed? Where we say just because of that period of courtship, they were able to know that this marriage no go sweet. This marriage go sweet. This marriage no go good for me. This one go good.
Shakara, I know one gay. 9 years, her husband do courtship. As I talk to you so now, they know the game. 9 years. Check Pikin will be 9 years. Check school will be 9 years. Check anything will be 9 years.
If it happen to one person, you know, say go happen to the rest.
I don't say it happen to everybody. But me they talk say it they happen. So if it day like this, you gonna know say different situation 9 days. So person know they know I finish, but now God 9 days know.
Okay, may we even say may we enter our own factor now. So okay, the ones where we say we feel like say we know. Bros, I beg, what be those things where we feel say we feel do to make sure.
Now, from we human being point of view, you get certain things where we self supposed to.
Okay.
And those things, we say, we're not supposed to allow pressure when they come from society to affect our marriage.
One.
Because you know, say, it gets something where they call societal pressure.
True.
If woman born Pikin now, they will tell you, say, hey, now the girl, mama supposed to come stay in her house, do a mugo. They don't write them for anywhere for constitution. no let her make it affect you. If it be say your own mama, no strong to come do that kind of thing, why you go force the woman make it come?
But meanwhile, when you ignore the society completely, you know you do a lot of things wrongly.
No, but
because in Africa we have a guideline.
That's why I tell you say
I always talk on for this our program say Africa, our forefathers live like templates.
Yes.
Where we go follow, take do things.
Yes.
Now make no matter who, even though you go marry for America, your marriage must start from traditional.
True.
If you never pour Google for grant, the marriage never start. So that societal pressure where they talk. Now say many people they talk the same thing. It's not pressure.
Okay.
It's just the what you need to know that you don't know. Now,
I can ask another thing, Shakara. If for instance now, it could be say you get accident, I don't say you go get accident too. Let's say you can't get accident, something can happen to you for your head now. You think say you go see the bab this punk, they go scrape him, treat him.
True.
If possible, you don't go there, even they go with hair at all.
True.
I don't know if you understand what I mean.
True.
So even as they leave template like that, where you say, our papa they leave template, those templates, you get certain things where feed the changer. When they leave the template, social media know they. When they leave the template, the can't what the face now know they. You know, say, it gets some people. When their wife get, I feel talking here for this place. It gets some women then, where if their husband to travel, then they buy a winning we keep for her. When they service them, before you know they like that.
True.
I mean, Shakara fit tell me if you answer this one now because you know them.
some of our followers go like no.
Waiting with this Ogbonge.
Ah, my brother. When I don't carry enter a T-bus. Yeah, you get to both they call their sex toy.
Okay.
But you get the one where they hold. You get something will happen even recently. One estate where they do meeting. As they do the meeting, they do it for one woman house. You understand? Now she be single mother. They do the estate meeting for us. So as they do the estate meeting, a small picking. You know when elders day, everybody sit down. A small picking come go carry the money go with their money. Bring her enter parlor. They do, mommy, oh boy. If you see slap the woman and give her. But now they are the meeting end. Because she don't feel continue, they don't feel continue. Now one day when she drive reach gate, now she see one of the men we call that meeting. Because, madam, good evening. Say, good evening. Oga, how are you doing? Say, fine. He say, what of Oga?
I beg, this is your opinion. When we come back, we're going to see the talking about how they go. Not go anywhere when they come back.
You go talk true. And you have to be honest. Hey, I don't know.
I did from Christian home, so not to put God first and all of that. Then pray to God and all that. And then try and make your partner happy. Yes, and learn about them.
By choosing somebody that loves me, that I think loves me with true love, genuine love, and has fear of God.
If everything is not by money, love is not by money, a marriage is not by money. If you love your partner and your partner love you, you people will make a good marriage life.
Yes, so now welcome back. Now, see opinion una don't see. So, and on top of the matter today, I go tell you and say we dey really groove inside this bar because Senator and Shakara we dey talk spoofing things where we say it dey make us a happy inside bar here. Now, Senator, I dey always hear so many things when they talk say if you want make your marriage sweet, you go need to spice them. Yes. You know, do different things. Yes. You know, get time to they always, you know, balance your time for your pikin, your wife, your family generally. You know, they always get time for everybody there because if you don't really split your time, so your marriage don't go too sweet. And no matter how busy you are, always create time for your marriage, your wife, your child, and all those kind of things. Say that thing they really help marriage take work. I know I never married though. I just want you be our person here. Maybe just give us house proofing. All those gist they all about.
No, the truth we say, I'm not gonna lie you. It is good to give time to your family. Make I give you one example. You get one time where I want to move my family, go make they stay permanently for America because they bought my son from America. So I course okay, make I go move them. You know, as I don't make up my mind, I want elderly man I come in. He said I don't notice say Pekin when they grow from now where you born there, reach like 10, 12 years. Say they no be your pikin again. No? Because every time when they discuss, no be daddy, mommy again. They go, they talk, my friend, in so, my friend. So now them and friends go come the room. So now the small time when they will come back from school, where you and they go just day, nothing again. No. So you can tell me, say, so now if you relocate your family, you can't go to America, you will discover, say, you don't get time to even the bond with the pikin. You know, if you say, my papa,
you just born pikin for donate. You just donate for part of the American society.
And you know how those places they don't send you now. You know, understand? America, the place where pikin go check fridge, you know, see butter, you go call police, say you know,
you know, buy butter.
You know all those kind of things. So it can't make me understand. Say you get to spend time with family, no matter what. If not for your wife,
so the man, it depends on your job now. The man where they work for offshore. We no fit spend time with him family because that spend time with the talk. If I might even come in, say, the spend time is money inclusive. If you are not around,
how do you want to spend time with your family if money no dey inclusive? Now, for instance, now if you say you want spice up your marriage,
what they try talk now be say for couple wey no dey physically present, you know, you understand? You feel like say money say take the children out to so place. Of course, you could do this. Let me give example of because option and work.
Yes, option and work.
And where they bring money,
now better work.
You understand? Those people know they dey sometimes 6 months. You understand?
But the till now, we
have a wrong family.
After that 6 months, if they come after that 6 months, how you want to manage that time where you don't come? You go still come back, come they go beer parlor for another offshore. Because you know, say some men they come up from real work offshore, come go offshore beer parlor. They drink cold. See all these girls then. When they ask, are you going my way? Are you going my way? Because are you going my way? Now they confuse man. You go see man when they go, but they Thomas. I say,
some of these girls, they leisure more. Leisure more for school.
If you go there, you go find out by yourself.
And then maybe we sharpen later social media. Maybe here waiting.
No man.
Okoro Ubochi talks, say, getting married to the right man or woman who adores you for who you are, be adventurous so as to keep the fire of love burning in your life, and finally, always say, I am sorry, even if you are right or wrong. Then I'm waiting this person
that girl don't marry. Don't marry.
Benedicta
and the friend married man.
She the friend married man, they give her experience.
And then he will say, now only so much you fit do. Every relationship, including marriage, now two-way street. If the person no one meet you halfway, then I don't know who. That's what no mean say person no go put effort. Attaining happiness in the long run with your partner and hard work.
Forget this one, they work with road safety. Just describe road for us. I tell you, some marriage now two-way traffic.
Two-way traffic.
Then lucky no Satan say it depends on the kind of woman where you marry. That one I waiting he talk. Then blessing on God's talk say praying without ceasing.
This is mountain of fire.
Mountain of fire. Time not really be our friend today, but Senator, in a nutshell, waiting be those like in let me say 2 words from you. Waiting you feel say person fit do to take really get lasting marriage.
The truth we say, first and foremost, God. Then secondly, try as much as possible to be your partner's friend. It's hard, but try. It's important because you see, even God, you understand, when you don't put him first, you go make sure every other thing work.
Confirm. Hey, young man.
Okay, I don't come to number one, God first, and I don't come to realize, say, you see this sex, crank, romance, one bed, that's now make pikin where we say mama they always carry like this. You see, they see that love between mama and pikin. So make people not neglect this part of marriage.
True.
That bed part is very important. And I not even advise young couple to get money to get different rooms. When you marry, this is my wife's room and this is my room. You do big boy. That thing go feel affect your marriage where you no go get happy and long lasting relationship. Start from one, even they get money, get 2-bedroom flat. Say the other one is for the children, this one is for me and you.
That's all.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.